place afterwards.
Wait, so where are we going with Hana? Are we just going to like a park?
Yeah, her and her friends were meeting up there, so we're gonna meet them. Seven and I holdings. Well done.
Shot from the video where I was holding the camera up and you on your GoPro.
Can I send you a screenshot from
You
it?
sent me a screenshot of
Oh, I sent you the video.
Oh, it was video?
Yeah, it was like 4 seconds.
Oh, maybe it was just like a static.
Yeah, you were just sitting there.
The quality is like really tremendous.
On the GoPro? Yeah,
it's
in the
like
in the
super
light. Yeah, at night it gets a little, it looks like drunken because it's the no, it's not the shutter speed, it's the motion stabilizer. Can't really figure out what to stabilize, so it starts to look like if we watched this video, it would look a lot less nice than that one. But in the day, it's really great. Yeah, I always down res it to 720 though, because even though it looks a lot better at 1080, I can't guarantee that wherever I am is going to have good enough internet to consistently upload 1080 files. And I don't have enough hard drive space to keep them all until, you know, until I come back or whatever. Do you think they really transport something on those buses with the host things?
Yes. They're transporting something totally unrelated to what that is.
And it's just the sign is turned on.
It's mad.
It's like how on American buses they kind of, or American trucks, 18-wheelers.
They're not transporting DVDs of Bones, like they're Bones season 5. They're just like advertising the show.
Right. Yeah, it's like how on a, yeah.
I don't know why I picked Bones. It's like one of the only one of the shows.
I don't know that I've ever thought about Bones unless I was like watching a TV
like,
that
like
showed Bones.
Bones, you know, like
Yeah.
It's
Disney Pixar's Up type situation. You should move in.
I bought another Gashapon toy.
Oh, you did? Which one?
The animals in a jazz band.
Cool. I might have seen that
I
one.
got a bird playing the
Wow. Oh, is that the one where the cymbal is like gonna hit him in the nose? Oh, no, wait. We have a crocodile playing a cymbal. At our house. You remember that guy? Because his snout is so long that it actually was between the cymbal. I see. So we can put them together. They're in a 2-piece band, cymbals and cymbals only. When I was looking for Concorde figures, I ended up in a model shop, but it was only like scale models of like real tanks and stuff, instead of like, you know, anime figures or whatever. And they had some really cool stuff that we would have wished we could get when we were building like Warhammers and model kits where it's like it'll be like a bombed out house or like a street, or they'll have like a piece of a bridge. It's all really, really detailed stuff, and they have like pre-painted ones you can do yourself.
I love miniatures.
Yeah, it's great. And of course they had all their like setups with all the stuff like presented really nicely in there. It always makes me want to buy one and just like do it again. But ultimately it's just a thing. It's most interesting when it is incomplete, like a puzzle. Once it's done, it's at its least impressive point.
It's like a game of life.
Yeah, because once you have the model, it's like, what am I going to do with that, you know? I saw a video of, it was like George R.R. Martin was like showing off his house, and he had this great little, it was like a closet that he opened where he just installed shelves, and on every shelf was like a different era of sort of Warhammer type models, but for like medieval stuff. So there was one like Battlefield, and there was a Queen's Court with all the people and jesters and stuff. It was a really cool idea. Here's that place that's always crowded. Oh, Don Quixote's still doing good. Oh, you can see Nemo and Dory when they're not sleeping.
Nemo, Dory. Look, that's like the bunch in Haga.
Oh yeah.
Wow, the index of refraction on this glass is
Yeah, it's like
insane.
kind of
It's like
sickening.
looking through a magnifying glass. How thick must this glass be?
It's like impossible to tell because of the refraction.
Wow, that makes me like dizzy.
Yeah,
Oh, I guess it's this thick. Or at least not this
maybe.
one.
Oh, there's more Nemo Dories. Oh, but there's a different fish
Nemo
there.
Dory.
That's not a character.
It's more of
As far as I
a
know.
shark tail character.
Yeah. The Shark Tale was the one that came out at the same time as Nemo, right? Or was it a different fish movie? I remember Shark Tale being the also ran of something.
I don't remember that.
It was the ants to something's the bug's life.
Oh, wasn't it robots?
No, those were both DreamWorks.
Oh.
Although the interesting part is that both Shark Tale and Robots were surprisingly good movies.
DreamWorks makes Puss in Boots too. It's all
Yeah, they definitely
I heard
who's
that
got the
movie,
last
The
laugh.
Bad Guys was also really good.
Yeah, that was in their like, remember their like Marvel intro that they made? Bad Guys was in that.
Did you see that?
No, but I wanted to see it. It kind of looked Puss in Boots 2-esque with like interesting looking art style.
ゆるい服で行くって。
That must drive them insane at Family Mart.
Yeah.
It was driving me crazy just sitting there waiting for you to wash your hands.
I was at the Renoir cafe, and there was some kind of like problem because the door chime went off like every 5 seconds on the like you could set your watch to it 5 seconds, and I was like, there's no way people are walking in at this rate. And I asked the guy after like 2.5 hours of it, I asked the guy like, hey, what's going on with that sound? Like, you know, that sound that's happening. And he's like, what sound? And I was like, oh, you know, like the whatever sound it was, like dee-dee-dee. And like he was like, I was like, is that some kind of like sort of problem? Like it's not supposed to sound like that, right? And he was like, oh no, that's just what it's always like. Like he done it so long that he just tuned it out. But as I found out, I think it was because people were queued up in front of the restaurant, and so it just automatically sensed them forever. It's really crazy.
That would drive me insane.
Yeah. Oop, see that?
Like doing so much walking, you have to have.
I guess. When I do a lot of walking, for example, like to get a lot of small meals.
Yeah, I mean, you just
But either way
eat
works.
a lot, you know, where it's like
Yeah.
on a normal day will walk like 2,000 steps, so I need to eat like a bagel and then I'm good for the day. But like walking 15 miles in a day is
Yeah.
such a